Hello, I'm Wolver, and in the next few minutes, I'm dragging you inside a live token launch. Zero filler, zero theory. Just the exact blueprint that turns an empty browser tab into a contract, doing $5,000 days while you sit on your couch. If you're the type who wants results now, here's the cheat code. The Telegram link is waiting in the description. One message. I hand you a contract that's printing thousands as you read this. You keep every dollar. No learning curve, no mistakes, just pure execution. Or stick with me for 6 minutes, and I'll show you how to build the whole machine yourself, so you never have to wait on anyone again. Step 1. Enter the war room. Open your browser, type remix.ethereum.org. Yeah, this is the same environment Uniswap was coded on. Looks intimidating? Perfect. That means it has the firepower to handle whatever you're about to drop. Most people land here, freeze at the interface, and bounce. That's exactly why my Telegram exists, because most people quit at the first sign of friction. I eat this stuff for breakfast so you don't have to figure it out alone. Left side, find File Explorer, click Create New File. Blank page. Right here, in this emptiness, financial weapons are born. What you name this file will live forever, on-chain, immutable, public, undeniable. Type vanguard.sol, or your own name, hit enter. See that .sol? That's solidity. You just stopped being a spectator. You're a builder now. Step 2. The alchemy. Find the S icon on the left. That's your Solidity compiler. Top drop-down. Compiler version. One mismatch here equals failed transaction equals burned gas equals money evaporated into the ether. This single mistake has cost beginners thousands. Don't be a headline. Set it to 0.8.2, industry standard, battle tested. Click compile vanguard.sol. Watch for the green checkmark. That green light means your idea just became bytecode. The network sees you now. You're on the radar. Step 3. Point of no return. Click Deploy and run transactions. The Ethereum logo under the S. Environment drop-down, select Injected Provider. Your MetaMask pops up. Connect. 5 steps in. Wallet linked. You're armed. Now you'll see 4 inputs. These decide your token's DNA. Name. Your empire's title. Make it land. Make it memorable. This is what people will type into scanners. Symbol. 3 letters. Aggressive. Sticky. Think VNG. APX. KNG. Short enough to trend on Twitter. Supply. You're the central bank now. 1 million. 1 billion. You control scarcity. Decimals. 18. Always 18. Non-negotiable in DeFi. One wrong number and your token launches crippled. Unable to trade on major exchanges. Critical warning. Here's what nobody tells you about deployment. The blockchain is a glass box with no delete key, no undo button, no customer support. One exploit in your code, one forgotten liquidity lock, one overlooked vulnerability, and your liquidity walks permanently, irreversibly. This is exactly why I exist. This is why I sell bulletproof contracts, pre-audited, pre-war, battle-tested on mainnet. Telegram link is below. Solo builders die here, every single time. If you're auditing your own code right now, you're not building, you're gambling, and the house always wins. Step 4. Launch. Wallet funded, compiler locked, contract selected. Gas fee ready? You need ETH for fuel. Everything green. Hit deploy. MetaMask pops up. Gas estimate. Confirm. Right here is the filter. Consumers hesitate. Owners execute. Click confirm. Watch the console. A hash appears. 20 seconds. Your token is live. Permanent. Public. Unruggable if you did it right. You're no longer chasing alpha. You are alpha. Step 5. Claim your creation. Scroll down to deployed contracts. Find your contract. Copy that long string starting with 0x. Open MetaMask. Click Import Tokens. Paste that address. Add token. Confirm. Look at your wallet. That's your ticker, your supply, your name on the blockchain. You just built wealth from 0 lines of code. But here's the unfiltered truth. A token with no liquidity is just a screenshot to post on Twitter. A token with no community is a flex with no follow-through. A token with no strategy is a parked car with the engine running. Looks active, going nowhere. Deployment is just the warm-up lap. The real game? Liquidity that actually holds. Launch mechanics that filter out bots before they dump on your holders. Narrative architecture that makes people need your ticker in their portfolio. This is my Telegram. I don't drop contracts. I drop complete money systems. The link is live below. 95% of projects never leave the driveway. Contract live, chart empty. No plan, no momentum, no exit liquidity. I provide the missing stack, pool strategy, volume triggers, entry architecture, and the exact formula that pushed my guys from 0 to 5 figures daily. Right now, my Telegram DMs are full of people doing $5,000 to $10,000 daily. You're still reading this. Your move. Done watching. Ready to stop refreshing other people's charts and start owning something that actually moves. Telegram. One word. Deploy. I build. You bank. 6 minutes ago, you were refreshing Twitter, waiting on random devs to bless you with a good entry. Now you own the contract address. Now you are the dev. The tools are free. The execution is mine. Copy this blueprint, or let me run it for you. Either way, the gate's open and the engine's hot. Build, or watch me build for you. Link below. Go.